What if one of the most talked about natural oils for aging skin has only been doing part of the job all along? Millions of women use castor oil hoping to soften wrinkles, improve skin texture, and bring back a healthier glow. Some notice small improvements. Others feel disappointed because the results never seem dramatic enough. But what if the real secret is not castor oil by itself? What if the key is pairing it with the right vitamins, so your skin receives both nourishment and protection at the same time? Today we explore 5 vitamin combinations. We will count down from number 5 to number 1, and the final combination is the one many tell me completely changed their skincare. If age spots, dullness, or loss of firmness have been bothering you, stay with me until the end for our number 1 combination. Before we begin, let me know in the comments how old you are and what skin concern bothers you most. I read your comments. Now let's begin. Number 5, castor oil and vitamin E. Let's start with a vitamin that many recognize but underestimate. Vitamin E has long been associated with skincare, yet many people think of it only as something used for scars or dry patches. The truth is that vitamin E plays a much bigger role. As we grow older, our skin becomes more vulnerable to environmental stress. Years of sunlight and pollution can affect skin appearance. One result is the development of uneven pigmentation and age spots. Vitamin E is known for its antioxidant properties. These help protect skin from oxidative stress, a factor in visible aging. Castor oil helps create a moisturizing environment, while vitamin E provides additional antioxidant support. Together, they are powerful. Together, they create a nourishing blend that many women enjoy using as part of their evening routine. Apply before bed. Many women find that their skin feels softer, more hydrated, and more comfortable after consistent use. Now let's talk about one of the most respected nutrients in skincare, vitamin C. This is featured in most premium products. There is a reason for that. Vitamin C is involved in the body's natural collagen production process and designed for brightening. Collagen is one of the structural proteins that helps skin maintain firmness and elasticity. As we age, these levels naturally decline. As collagen declines, skin can appear thinner and less resilient. Vitamin C helps support healthy formation. Combined with castor oil, many find their skin looks healthier and more radiant. Remember, consistency is key. Skin renewal does not happen overnight. Small improvements made day after day often produce the most meaningful results. This may be the most overlooked vitamin on today's list. Vitamin B3, often called niacinamide, is very popular now. Niacinamide is known for supporting the skin barrier, improving uneven tone, and helping skin retain moisture effectively. Many women over 60 struggle with skin that feels thinner, drier, or more sensitive. Niacinamide addresses these simultaneously. It supports hydration and promotes a smoother appearance. Combined with castor oil, it's a simple but powerful blend. If your primary concern is uneven tone combined with dryness, this combination deserves serious attention. And please subscribe. Every week, I share practical, science-informed content created specifically for adults over 50 who want to age with confidence. Now let's continue. Number 2, castor oil and vitamin A. This is the one consistently associated with anti-aging. Vitamin A derivatives support skin renewal and improve the appearance of wrinkles, uneven texture, and sun exposure. However, many find traditional vitamin A irritating. That's why many prefer gentler alternatives that still provide benefits. When paired thoughtfully with castor oil, it becomes part of a moisturizing nighttime routine that supports smoother skin. The key is patience. Healthy-looking skin develops through consistency, not intensity. Sustainable habits always outperform. And now we arrive at the number 1 combination. This is what many women find most exciting. Number 1, the triple vitamin blend. It brings together vitamin C, vitamin E, and vitamin B3 with castor oil. Think of it as a team effort. Vitamin C for brightness, E for antioxidant support, and B3 to help the skin barrier. This approach addresses multiple visible concerns at once: dryness, uneven tone, dullness, and loss of radiance. Most importantly, it encourages a balanced approach. No miracle claims, just consistent support for your skin. Before we finish, I want you to remember something important. Healthy skin is not about looking 25 again. It is not about chasing youth or competing with anyone else. It is about feeling comfortable in your own reflection. It is about recognizing the vibrant woman who has lived, loved, and grown through every chapter of life. Your skin tells a story. The goal is not to erase that story. The goal is to care for it. When you invest in yourself, you send a powerful message. A message that your well-being still matters. And it does. No matter whether you are 55, 65, 75, or beyond. If you enjoyed this, please leave a comment with your age and which combination interested you. Have you tried castor oil? Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly videos on healthy aging. Thank you for your time. Take care and see you next time.